If you went long in Nifty today, you probably got trapped. And the worst part, the chart clearly warned us yesterday. Welcome to OptionWave, where we trade with levels, logic, and discipline, not emotions. Before I explain the chart, remember this. Today was not a bad market. It was a bad decision day. Let's start with Nifty. Today, the CPR was narrow, which is usually means the market can give fast moves. In yesterday's post-market analysis, we discussed only one clear condition. If price breaks below CPR and sustains, we look for short trades. That's exactly what happened today. Nifty opened with a small gap above CPR and the post candle was bearish. But there was no follow through. The very next candle closed above the CPR. This was the post warning signal. Some traders went long at CPR expecting a bounce. Those traders got trapped. Price then fell straight to the valid zone. We marked yesterday. Traders who waited for confirmation below CPR and then went short had the cleanest and safest trade of the day. This was the only high probability setup in Nifty today. Now let's look at Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty showed the same story. Price tried to hold above the CPR but it failed to sustain. Once there was a clear confirmation below CPR, short trades worked very well. Traders who waited and followed confirmation could book profit in Bank Nifty also. Markets don't trap traders. Traders trap themselves by rushing. If you avoid trades today, you actually did a great job. Now let's prepare for the next trading day. Next trading day is Tuesday and Monday is a public holiday. After holidays, markets will open with a fresh participation and gaps. Now let's do the technical analysis. For that, we need to go to daily time frame. Let's delete all these lines. Now let's draw the important levels in daily time frame. This bearish candle upside there is no wick. That means selling pressure is very high. We can mark this as a supply zone. Next supply zone is this bearish candle. Downside we can mark this as a previous swing. If the market bearish again, we can look a valid level below. We can mark this bullish candle as a demand zone. If in case market continues the downfall, we can take another support at this level. Why I am taking this level is simple. A green candle with less wick downside. Now let's come to 5 minutes time frame. We can mark supply and demand zones in 5 minutes time frame. Here fall is started from this place, but recent fall we can found here. That's why I am marking this entire candle as a zone. Today is trending day. Next day we can expect wide CPR. Basically in wide CPR days, breakout failures can happen regularly. Next trading day we can focus breakout failures. If Tuesday market opened around this level and gives proper rejection from this supply zone, then we can expect short opportunities. If in case market comes to this previous swing and gives bullish strength here, then we can expect long opportunities from previous swing. These are the entry setups for Nifty. Now let's do the same for Bank Nifty as well. Let's delete all these lines first. Now let's mark important levels in daily time frame. Here we can take this bearish candle as a supply zone. Coming to downside, we can take this as a demand zone. Why I am taking this as a demand zone? There is no wick here. Next we can take this as a valid zone. Here price didn't close below this level. That's why I'm taking this level. Next support we can consider this swing. Bullish strength, right? That's why I'm taking as a demand. We can expect a huge gap up also. 2 days holiday, right? We can take this as a supply zone. Now in 5 minutes time frame, let's mark demand and supply zones. Here fall is started from here to here. From recent fall we can found here. Before impulsive candle we can take it as a zone like this. In Bank Nifty also today is trending. Next day we can expect wide CPR. If market opened around this level and shows bearish strength from the supply zone, we can expect short like as Nifty. If in case market showed bullish strength this demand zone, then we can take long opportunities. That's it for free market analysis. I posted every pre-market charts in WhatsApp channel. If you are interested, you can join in the WhatsApp channel. This exact CPR based structure is what I teach step by step. If you have tried a random trading and want a clear options trading system, details are shared in the description. If this analysis helped you, subscribe to OptionWave. I upload one video after every trading day. This is Sidhu from OptionWave. See you in the next video. Thank you.